Hi, I'm Hari Kiran from Hyderabad. I'm going to discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very important topic in 10th class curriculum, in whatever the curriculum, ICSE curriculum, CBSE curriculum, and the states curriculum also. So I'm going to discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry is related to right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is one of the type of triangle. So we have different types of triangles. Already we know equilateral, scalar, and right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is mainly 90 degrees should be there. That is called right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, three sides will be there. Okay. So generally, that right angle triangle application in a real time example is so we have electrical pole. So for the electrical pole, we are supporting one strong wire should be connected to base of the earth. That is one like this. So this is electrical pole, and again they start supporting one thread. Generally, that is called application of right angle triangle. And in a park, then slope is to like this. I mean to say, children are roping like this. That is example of right angle triangle. And coming to the topic is we have three and three. All total six types of variance is there. That is sine theta and other things. All things is there. So coming to topic is trigonometry, sine angles, cosecant angles, and tan angles. So we have A, B, C is a right angle triangle. This is A, and this is B, and this is C. And we are starting with sine theta. This is angle C at theta. That is called theta. And we have sine theta. Sine theta formula is we have opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This opposite side will be here A and B, and hypotenuse be A, C. So sine theta equal to AB by AC. So sine theta equal to AB by AC. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Whatever the sides adjacent to the angle theta, that is called BC, and AC. BC by AC. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. That is AB by AC. So 3 is over. So we can derive other than 3 from this only, and we can derive from normal basic method also. Two methods. So first one is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta is over. Next pair is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is opposite of inverse of sin theta, we can say. Otherwise, 1 by sin theta, that is 1 by AB by AC. That AC will be go upside, and AC by AB. Otherwise, cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay. So that is cosecant theta equal to AC by AB. Next, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. That is 1 by cos theta means BC by AC. BC here is there 1 by BC by AC. AC will be there, AC by BC. So we can consider as secant theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. And next, cot theta equal to same two things will be there, opposite side by adjacent side. So that is AB by AC. Otherwise, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by AB by AC, that is sorry AB by BC, that is BC by AB. So this is a cosecant theta and secant theta and cot theta, sin theta and cos theta and tan theta. So coming to these, we have some formulas. So first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We have to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we have again sin theta is there. We have AB by AC, and cos theta is there, BC by AC. Okay. So AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. So AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Okay. So coming to addition, so denominator should be same, already same. So AC square upon AB square plus AC square. Okay. So we have one formula in a right angle triangle in seventh grade and 8th grade. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So here ABC triangle is there. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Okay. AB square plus BC square already given in our problem, AB square plus BC square by AC square. So from conclusion of Pythagoras theorem, we can take AB square plus BC square by AC square is there. Instead of AB square plus BC square, we can take AC square. So AC square by AC square equal to 1. You can AC square get cancelled. AC square plus AC square by AC square equal to 1. So we can proved sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So in that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, we can derive three formulas. First formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. And next thing, sin theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta equal to 1 under root 1 minus sin square cos square theta, sorry. So these are the formulas, and we have